Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the spiral and the punched holes for damage or deformation. Measure the coil diameter and length. Typical office coils range from 0.25 inches to 1 inch. Gather tools, needle nose pliers, flat nose pliers, a small awl, and replacement coil. Align pages on a flat surface and clamp them to prevent shifting during repair. Identify the coil start and unwind only enough to clear the damaged section. Inspect the cover holes for tears and reinforce, with clear tape if needed. Unwind the damaged coil by rotating it slowly with needle nose pliers in one direction. If the coil is bent, cut it with wire cutters and remove the unusable portion. Thread the replacement coil through the first hole using the awl to guide the wire. Rotate the coil steadily to engage each punched hole without stretching the wire. Trim extra coil, leaving a 0.25-inch tail to form a secure end bend. Reinstall covers and ensure the spine sits flush against the paper stack. Use flat nose pliers to bend the 0.25-inch tail inward and lock the coil end. Check page turn tension. Pages should rotate smoothly with about 25% resistance. Trim any frayed edges on the paper and reclamp the stack before finishing. Test by opening fully on a flat surface to ensure no snagging or misalignment. Store spare coils in sizes 0.25 inches, 0.5 inches, and 1 inch for future repairs. Keep a small kit with pliers, awl, and spare coils for quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.